Hello guys, this is Prasenjit here from my brand new tech channel, and the channel name is Jit Shop. So in this year on the 1st of Jan I opened this channel actually, and in this channel I will be presenting many tech related reviews like gadgets like smartphones, laptops, Bluetooth speakers, etc. And today in this video, and this is actually my third video of this channel, and in this video I'm going to present to you all my takes or gadgets which I used as a daily driver in the previous year, that is in the year 2020, and I used them thoroughly and actually love these products, and because I used it daily. So today I'm going to review all those products and stuffs which I used, and so sit back and relax, and you will also enjoy this video. And if you guys are watching this for the first time, I would suggest you to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel so that I can get more and more motivation to review such videos like this from next onwards. So without any more further ado, I would like to present to you what are the techs I used as my daily driver. So sit back, watch, and enjoy. So the first tech which I used as my daily driver of the year 2020 is obviously my smartphone, and this smartphone is very special to me as this is been made by LG, and this is from LG actually, and this is LG G8X ThinQ. So I don't know whether you have heard this smartphone or not. So because this is a very innovative phone from LG, and but I currently can't review this product to you and show you what are the pros and cons right now, because currently I'm shooting this video from this smartphone only. So and because of that, and actually I would like to tell you that this is a very innovative idea from LG point of view, because most of the branded smartphones like from Samsung or from Huawei, and they are coming up with the foldable smartphones. But this LG has taken a drastic decision that they have come with this dual screen capabilities like LG Velvet. Is that there is another option after LG G8X. So but I'm currently using this smartphone from the past year, and I'm currently loving this product because it has a dual screen capabilities, and if you are a multitasker, since I am a multitasker, I used to open 2 to 3 apps side by side, and this phone has done all these things. So I'm currently loving it. I'm currently using it as my daily driver, and more importantly, like when I get idle time, then I also used to do gaming on this smartphone, and this gaming on the smartphone is a very breeze because it has the Snapdragon 855 processor, and also that gaming controller which is an unique thing. So I don't know whether any of the smartphones available right now in this market apart from LG Velvet has this option of another controller in another screen. So currently this is a very beautiful product from LG, but I brought this product from Flipkart at around 50,000 at that time when I purchased the product. But in the big billion sale in the previous year, Flipkart, it has been in a sale of rupees 20,000. I don't know, and many people, about 1.6 lakhs I think, or millions of products has been sold within I think 2 days. So many people has already bought that product because it has already been 50% discount it was getting, and right now maybe it is selling for around rupees 25 to 26,000. So this is a very unique product, and I'm currently loving this product. So the next tech which I'm using as my daily driver in the year 2020 as well as I'm using in this year is the Amazon Alexa 3rd generation model, not the latest 4th generation model, because there is not much difference between the Amazon 3rd generation and the Amazon 4th generation one. I have seen many reviews earlier, because there is not many differences between those two. Only the difference in between those two are the design, shape, and the 4th generation has more base, that's it. but I'm currently using it from the year 2019 and currently loving this product in this year also, because it is absolutely a beautiful gadget from Amazon. Because the sound quality is just superb in this, because I have a very small room and not a much bigger room, but it's absolutely adequate for such a room. The sound quality, the mids and lows and the bass, it has been absolutely amazing. So I don't have the Amazon Alexa 4th generation, I can't compare right now, but it is absolutely a great value for money deal, because in many Amazon sales this product is selling for around 2000 to 2500, and this has been a killer deal because I purchased it for 3000 at a sale in 2019. So I'm currently loving this product, and the Amazon Alexa voice assistant feature is just superb. Whenever I try to say anything, it just immediately responds because it's a good microphone. And of course in this lockdown time, of course I am enjoying it by telling each and everything to Alexa, and it responds immediately. So this is one of my favorite gadget in the 2020. So my third tech gadget, which I used as a daily driver in the previous year, that is in the year 2020, as well as I am using currently in this year, is the JBL Quantum series of headphones. This is a JBL Quantum 200, and I'm currently loving this product as I use as my daily driver when listening to music or doing any conference calls or stuffs. This is a JBL Quantum series, starting from Quantum 100. This is a Quantum 200 series, and this costs about, I think, 4000 rupees, and this is a very mid-range budget kind of headphones, because very soft cushioning, as you can see, and the boom mic, which is very big feature on this headphone. And currently this headphone, this boom mic actually is very important, is very helpful in terms of while doing any conference callings or any Zoom cloud meetings and those stuffs. The microphone quality is very good actually. So currently this is I am using as my daily driver to listening to music as well, because it has a deep bass. The sound quality is very good, undoubtedly, because it has another volume controller it has, and the wire quality is very good, and is this 3.5 mm audio jack is very good, and along with the smartphone which I am using, it has an awesome sound quality. I can't express in words right now. So this has been a daily driver in the previous year, and currently this is another favorite gadget of mine. So now the next gadget which I used as my daily driver in the previous year 20, and in this year I'm also currently using it, is the wireless earbud from the brand called Muzili. As you can see, this has a cool breathing effect when you used to plug it in your ear. This is a very unique feature of this earbud actually. And if I talk about its sound quality, it's very good. The bass is very high. If you are a bass lover, you will of course enjoy its music, and even the mids and highs are also very good. The treble is very good. So basically when I used to travel or when I used to go to gym as well, I used to carry along with this earbud, because I don't carry many word stuffs, and these wireless things used to get this job done for me, and the Bluetooth range is very good of course. And currently this has been one of my favorite cool gadget. This is a portable gadget which I am using it. And now the final gadget which I mostly used in the previous year, and this is my laptop, and this is the laptop from the brand called Asus, and this is the Asus VivoBook 14 series, and this is a Ryzen processor, and it's very powerful processor he says, and it has also many features inbuilt here. This is a fingerprint scanner, this is a backlit keyboard, and the screen is actually very good. It has a anti-glare screen protection, and it is non-reflective glass. So I'm currently using it as my daily driver, and all my editing stuffs, even gaming also. This is not a gaming laptop. This laptop is mainly for the professional, for office stuffs or for students also. This is used for gaming, because gaming mostly like GTA 5 and Call of Duty series, even it can play those games in 1080p also. I have tried those games also. So this, but I don't suggest it for gaming. For light purposes, for working purpose, this gets the job done. Even for editing purpose, it gets the job done. And this is one of the best budget laptop you can buy for around 40,000, and this has almost all the features you can ask for. And there are lot many Asus cool stuffs, Asus brand new laptops are coming on, but this I can say that in this budget, this is one of the best product from Asus, because it has good ratings in the e-commerce site as well. So I will be providing all the links of the products which I reviewed right now in the description below, and you can get and you can buy from there also. So this is right now the end of this video, and I will be providing more and more videos like these, more and more reviews of very cool gadgets also in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and make sure to like, subscribe also, and also share this video to among with your friends, relatives and others, so that I can get more motivation to review such kind of videos. And so I'm going to come out with another new cool videos from next time. So thank you and stay safe.